Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is another Autowatch Ghost 2 on this 2019 BMW X3 M40i. So the way the system works, obviously if someone got in, cloned this key and tried to steal the vehicle, it will start up, but as soon as they go to select a gear, the vehicle switches off. So the customer needs to pass what's called authorization. This is done through using a push sequence on the steering wheel of the factory buttons. We've kept it simple for video purposes, so the procedure is start the vehicle up, put in your push sequence. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4 for now. Receive a double flash from the indicators and you can select your gear. If the customer wants to change the code obviously to something more sophisticated, to do that first you have to turn on the ignition. On this vehicle you've got to triple press the ignition to get it on. Disarm the system. 1, 2, 3, 4 was our code. We get our double flash. Now for all the way down on the accelerator, repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the indicator starts to flash, we can release our foot, and now it's ready to receive a code. So we'll just change it to this button here. So every time I press it, we should get a flash. 1, 2, 3, 4. We receive a triple flash. Now repeat that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get a double flash to confirm that. And that's the new code learnt. So now what we'll do, we'll start up the vehicle, put in the old code. You'll see that doesn't work. We don't get our double flash and the vehicle will stall, obviously because we've changed the code. So now we'll start it up and do the new code. So start it up, new code 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our double flash and we can drive the vehicle away. Obviously this sequence can be a combination of buttons. It doesn't have to be a single button. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in any order between 4 and 21 presses. So it's totally up to the customer. When obviously they want to take it back to BMW and get it serviced, they don't want to give the technicians or the engineers the code. They just want it to act and behave like a normal car. You have to put it into service mode. So the way you do that is ignition on, disarm the system, receive our double flash, and then we need to press the service button 5 times, which on this vehicle is the traction control. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should get 5 flashes from the indicators. There we go. So now this goes now in service mode. So when they take it to BMW, it will start up as normal and drive as if they've got a normal car and they haven't got anything fitted. Obviously if this vehicle exceeds 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, you'll get a double flash from the indicators, and when the vehicle stops it will be immobilised. When you get the vehicle back, all you need to do is ignition on, put your disarm code in, and you'll get a double flash. So now this is protected again and back out of service mode. Just to confirm that, we'll start it up, select our gear, and see it mobilises. If you want to get your vehicle protected against relay attack, key cloning, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.